So hello everyone, this is Easy Automation here, and as you know, we have talked about all the timers in Allen Bradley in our previous video, and in this video we are going to talk about the timing diagram of T-on instruction. So let's start, but before that you need to subscribe our channel because we want to build this community of automation engineers. So hit that subscribe button and let's jump in. But before showing the timing diagram, I will just create one program for our T-on instruction. So I will just add one rung here, one contact inside it, and one T-on instruction. And I will just add one another rung here and one another. And I will add two contacts inside them. And I will just add two coils like this. And I will just give the address. So I have addressed all the instructions in which this contact will turn on our T-on instruction, and this contact will be our timer timing bit of this timer, and this contact is the done bit of this timer. So let's go online. So now our program is in running condition and the timing diagram of T-on instruction is this. So as the timing diagram says, if I turn on this timer, then our enable bit will turn on immediately after I give the supply to the timer, and our timer timing bit will also go on and it will start counting for 20 seconds, and as soon as it reaches to 20 seconds it will go off and our done bit will go on. And if I turn off this input, then our all bits will go off. So this was the timing diagram for T on instruction. And I hope you got the point and took the notes. And if you didn't got any point in this lecture, then do let me know in the comment section. I will always be there to answer your questions, and hit that like button if you learned something new, and share this video to your friends and colleagues who are interested in automation. So with that being said, I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep exploring my previous videos. Bye.